Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. Tonight, y'all are joining us for dinner, okay?
Dinner at the crib.
Because we are trying to stop ordering food on apps. Tonight, we are going to be making some pasta using one of our personal favorites. One of my great girlfriends is a personal chef, and she has this amazing cookbook called You've Got Food at Home. And so tonight...
Yes, sis.
So shout out to Gabrielle McVeigh, okay, Chef Gabby. We are gonna make a homemade Alfredo sauce tonight that is so good, y'all. It's literally like you could put this Alfredo sauce on anything, which is why we're making it tonight, because this sauce, we're gonna eat it tonight, but we're also gonna show you how you can add some extra stuff in there to make it cater to whatever meal you've got coming for the next day or for the rest of the week. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. In this household, in the Godbolt household, who is the chef?
It is I.
He is the chef, okay? So he's already got his prep, y'all.
We got our garlic, we got all of our ingredients prepped and ready to go. Got our pots boiling on the stove, so let's get into it.
All right, let's do it.
Let's get into it. Okay, so first off, there's a couple of small details I'm doing. Boiling some water, getting the butter nice and bubbly for all of the beautiful garlic and the onions and all that good stuff. And then also making my shrimp, which is my part of this meal. Jade gonna do chicken.
And the first time we made this, Gabby put salmon on top of it, of the pasta, and it was very good. So while Mark is cooking, we're gonna chat about how things have been going with our financial planning process with our Northwestern mutual financial advisor. And at this point, how long have we been working with Tina? A month or so. We've been chatting with her a lot lately, just kind of getting our minds right about just what our future looks like. We've talked about it with y'all a lot already, so you can definitely go check out our past couple masking and chatting videos that we've done, where we kind of deep dive into some of the nervousness, some of the things we learned after having the meeting, all that kind of stuff. And tonight we're really, acting out one of our strategies to reaching our, financial goals, which is
cooking more. Trying to find different ways to save money, to be better stewards of the money that we have. And cooking is a great part of that, because you can basically cook bigger meals. You can have them for leftovers. You can have them the next day for lunch or dinner. This is definitely one of those sauces that's good to just reheat and go, as opposed to what we do or did quite often, ordering.
Yeah, so we were looking over kind of our biggest expenses outside of the necessities, and eating out was definitely one of our top spending activities,
especially with it being the pandemic.
And we got sick of cooking at one point. We were doing good, I would say, at the beginning of the pandemic of okay, let's chill out. We don't know what the future holds. We're gonna be real, just savvy with how much money we're spending. We're 6 months in, y'all, and we started getting used to the new normal and tired of constantly cooking and cleaning and cooking again and cleaning again.
We work all day, literally.
We worked all day today.
Baby, work all day. By 5, 6 o'clock, you don't feel like cooking.
Mm-mm.
And then if you got to prep, prepping took me about 45 minutes. Once you get into all of that, you don't really feel like doing much of anything. And it's so easy nowadays to just get on your phone, press a couple buttons.
Just order.
Babe, what you want tonight?
What do we feel like?
And then you get anything you want to, which also doesn't help. You can get Asian one day.
Burgers.
We can both get something different, because sometimes she be picky.
Another great thing about this sauce, okay? So the sauce is your base, right? That's your foundation. You add in whatever you want after. So if you've got some people in your family that don't like meat or don't like corn, corn is one thing that we're adding in tonight just for a little pizzazz. You can always keep your meat on the side or your other veggies on the side and add them in once the sauce is already done.
You're a little bit better with finances and money than I am, for a lot of reasons. But what has Northwestern Mutual taught you the most through this process?
I would say what I've learned the most through this process with Northwestern Mutual and our advisor, Tina, has been it's okay not to be like in perfect form when it comes to your financial like report and background. Like I feel like I had this idea that I needed to have my things together before I got a financial advisor, and what I realized was like Tina is here to help us. Like Tina is here to help us like get our things together. So it's not about having to have everything super nice and together before you go to Northwestern Mutual. Like they're there to help you get your stuff together. So that was definitely one thing that was super like cool for me, was like that level of relief of, okay, like she understands where we're at. She's not trying to like say that we're doing something bad or we did something bad. So if you are counting calories or
don't count calories,
any of that, like just skip for this meal. Like don't, because there's a lot of cheese and fat and butter and just like yummy things in this recipe.
And in my opinion, there's no such thing as too much cheese. So yeah, one of the best things about cooking, at least for me, is my baby loves food. So that's like an added bonus of being able to spend quality time, and it's something that I know that she's gonna love. It's never like, would she like this? Should I cook? Should I not cook? It's like, bruh, cook. So yeah.
And as we said, y'all, we are saving the rest of our sauce for tomorrow / another day.
I mean, and if you don't have pasta, like this sauce is so good. If you have like a flip flop or a piece of leather, an old leather coat that you.
Please don't eat no leather.
But yeah, like fish, favorite pasta, super quick. Pasta is also very inexpensive as well. But my food is getting cold, so we about to wrap
We
this up.
ready to eat. Okay, it's been a long day, y'all. It's been a long day. We ready to eat. We're ready to chill out. But we appreciate y'all watching and keeping up with us in our journey to financial wellness. Okay, it isn't.
That's what it is. Financial wellness.
Financial wellness. It's definitely not the topic of the day or trending topic on Twitter, but it is so important for all of us to be in good hands when it comes to where we're at financially, especially in such just unimaginable times that we're living in and so much instability. Northwestern Mutual is going to help you feel secure even in, bumpy times. So definitely check them out if you are trying to just get your bearings together. You want to just see kind of where you're at, what can maybe help you and your family get on the right track, even if you got some blemishes in your past, even if you don't got a lot of money, you do not have to be rich.
That's what they're for.
Right. They're there for everyone.
Be available and be honest. And
yeah, absolutely.
Everything else will take care of itself.
Absolutely. So definitely check out our friends at Northwestern Mutual the next time you get a chance. And until next time, we'll see y'all in our next video. Bye.